Hey there, good Thursday morning to you. I'm 4029 meteorologist Majestic Storm. It is January the 9th and it is a severe day for both the River Valley and Northwest Arkansas. Notice we have several different winter weather advisories, watches and warnings that have been issued by the National Weather Service that extend down into Texas, Oklahoma and right here across Arkansas. All of that pink is indicating winter storm warnings. That is the highest warning that we can be under when we're looking at winter storm systems. And notice the entire state of Arkansas is basically under that. As we bring it on home, now it's different compared to yesterday. The forecast just a bit because Northwest Arkansas, you are now under a winter storm warning for everyone. Those go into place starting at 6 o'clock this morning. They'll stay in place until noon tomorrow. Here's a look at how much snow you need to be ready for. We have upped those snow totals anywhere from 4 to 7 inches across Northwest Arkansas. Even greater the more south you are from areas like Greenwood and Boonville, about 6 to 9 inches. That extends out there towards Poto and Spiro, and then that dark area shaded in that red between 8 to 10 inches across parts of Scott County. So a big winter storm system that you need to be ready for. Starting to see those impacts as soon as this morning for the River Valley. Areas south of I-40 first. So here's 9 a.m. Light scattered snow showers starting to move in across LaFleur County from Talihina to Poto. We'll fast forward you. Here's about noon, becoming more widespread across the River Valley. This extends from Paris over towards Van Buren. Now we could see a little sleet at first that could be mixed in with that ongoing snow before it all transitions into that accumulating snowfall. Now here's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I think it's a best bet to plan for some snow moving across Northwest Arkansas early in the afternoon. But by 3 o'clock, this becomes more widespread. And notice the more blue we have, the more widespread and accumulating snowfall we will see. So by this point, it's 7 o'clock at night. Hopefully you don't have any place to be, as this is when it is just going to be a snowmaker for several hours in a row. A lot of opportunity for that snow to accumulate, which is why those snow totals are so high. Here's about midnight. We're looking at upper 20s and low 30s, continuing as that front pushes through early Friday morning. If you're an early riser, Friday that snow will still be ongoing. Here's even 8 o'clock in the morning. If you have someplace that you have to be, because the reality is that many of you still have to head off to work, make sure you allow for plenty of extra drive time to get to where you need to be. Roads are going to be covered with snow, and this is not just going to be a dusting. This could be several inches. Again, 4 to 7 inches for Northwest Arkansas. And then as that front continues to track to the east, here's Friday at 10 o'clock in the morning. Light scattered showers, so we'll be on the back edge of that. And then by Friday afternoon, we are dry, and then we're left with the aftermath. So very dangerous and difficult traveling conditions starting as early as this morning in the River Valley. Anytime between about 8 and 9 is when we're anticipating that snow arrival, all the way until about noon as far as the arrival goes. And then from Northwest Arkansas, anticipating that arrival for the snow between about 1 and 2 o'clock. So we have a lot that's going on. Wake up and join us this morning on 4029 News Sunrise. We'll keep you up to date with all the changes if we see any, and what we're currently seeing on our satellite and radar hour by hour. We'll be in the studio for you all throughout the day, Thursday into the overnight hours and straight into our Friday. This upcoming weekend, we don't have any more accumulating snow on the way, but we are concerned that we might see some daytime melting of the snow and then refreezing at night. So some very icy and slick spots could be possible. Hope you'll join us. Stay close to the 4029 weather team.